Right, so the next trick is getting off these slides and this ball screw. So I've taken off the X-axis motors and the various wiring, the cover there, but what's stuck, and I seriously cannot get it off, is this damn pulley. So the belt's come off just fine, and I've managed to slightly damage the pulley, and I'm pretty sure it's because of the friction fit that's on this ball screw. So it's damn near impossible to get off. I do have a pair of pullers, so I'm kind of hoping that'll get the job done, but we'll see how we go. So you wouldn't read about it, but the puller, as perfect a tool as it is for this job, doesn't actually fit around the pulley. Okay, I think I found a way out of this mess. So I've managed to get the inner guard off, and I'm just cutting it off. That way it creates just a fraction more space between this brace thing and then the actual pulley. And I'm hoping that's enough to get these bloody things in there. It worked. Getting these things back on though is going to be a different story entirely, but that is a problem for future Sam. So these linear rails are actually pretty solid. The first one I did really didn't need a bath at all. There's some gunk on here, but some WD-40 and like 1 or 2 rubs with the Scotch-Brite, and we're golden. So this will be the first part that doesn't go in the rust bath, which makes a nice change. I cannot for the life of me figure out how this thing comes out. So I'm kind of hoping that the secret is actually just getting behind this thing up underneath this saddle, and all will be revealed. So I've managed to get the saddle off. No real clues, I'd say, as to how to get the hub for the ball screw off. It does look like that behind the grub screw that was in here is, it almost looks like it could be a spring-loaded detent or something like that. So, no, I'll give that a whirl, but that seems pretty flimsy to me. But yeah, so I guess I'll just work on getting these linear bearings out, and then yeah, we can just take it from there. I managed to get it off. How about that? I yeah, messed around with the this pin in here for a little while. Could not figure out if it was meant to come out or whatever, so once again just went for the fuck around and find out strategy, and she worked. None the wiser as to how this thing works though, so oh well. I spent the better part of an hour trying to find a replacement for this ball screw nut, to no avail. So contacted a supplier, so hopefully they'll get back to me, and then we can take it from there. But until that happens, time to move on to the spindle.